So today we are going to talk about why it's a really good idea to come out after a rainy day. So the rain has been coming down for the last couple of days and now it started to rain again. But the good thing about rain is that because after the rain showers have ended and you can see already a bit of blue sky or whatever color the sky is at the moment, there's a really good chance that you will get some good dramatic colors, dramatic cloud shapes, big wind and big movement in the sky. And also, if you're on the beach, big movements in the waves. So today we're going to talk about why it's a good idea to come out and shoot landscape images or images in general during a rain shower or after it. Firstly, after a rain shower or after a storm or even during one when it's ending, you can get really dramatic clouds, really dramatic colors. And today is not that great, but it's okay. I think I have a really nice composition, which I will show you in a couple of minutes. But firstly, yeah, after a rain, the weather can be amazing. And usually it can be a lot better than with a usual calm day without wind. Secondly, during a rain shower or a rainstorm, after that you still have the wind and the clouds and the movement in the sky. So making long exposures can be absolutely amazing, and the images will come out really often, really dynamic and really deep in that sense. The third really important reason to get out during a rainstorm is actually to kind of prepare yourself that you can fail, and I'm guessing like 60-70% of the time you will fail when you go out during a rainstorm, because sometimes the rain doesn't end, there's no clear sky, it will just get totally overcast, and there can be a million other reasons why you can't take out your camera. It kind of prepares you that you don't need to get an image every time. It kind of trains you to come out and not look at that much of weather charts and predictions, because you will never know what the weather actually will be.
As the weather was not that great that evening, I was just looking for something to pique my interest, and I found this composition where the coastline and the small rocks are kind of leading your eye to the sky. And this was the first of two images I found this evening.
And so the view comes from this position and goes all the way to the sky, and the image is in portrait orientation. So my camera is making an exposure at the moment, and I'm on 24 millimeters. I'm at f14 to get everything pin sharp. The exposure is 30 seconds. I'm using a Lee 6-stop ND filter or the little stopper, and I'm using a 0.6 stop graduated ND filter to just balance out the sky on the composition. And plus, in front of that all, I have a polarizing filter. With that, I kind of cranked up the reflections a bit, because without the reflections, the image felt a tad numb or without life. So I think it at the moment made a bit more dynamic. But what do you actually need when you go out? The first 3 reasons were why you should come out, but now I'm going to give you 3 things that you most definitely need when you're coming out. Firstly, these. So these are microfiber gloves, and during a rain shower or even just when you're on the beach with a wind, these are a must, because you need to clean your lens off, because you will get little water droplets, you will get spray from the waves or whatever else, but you need those. Otherwise you're gonna be spot healing out all the water droplets on your landscape images, and that can be a really tedious job. So get these, don't get 1, get like 5 or 6 like I have in my bag, and they will save your life. So the second thing you need, apart from this one, is some kind of protection for your camera or your lens. It kind of goes to the same territory as the micro glove, but a lot of cameras or lower end cameras can't handle the rain droplets or rain, for example. I have a D850 which can handle rain even, because I've been in a total rain shower with it and it works perfectly. But still, if it gets too bad, I have a big kind of rain cover thing that I can put my hands into, and I have a plastic cover on the back so I can see the screen. If you don't want to buy those, you can use whatever you like. You can use your plastic shopping bag, you can use an umbrella, whatever you have, but use it, because otherwise if your camera is not waterproof or droplet proof, you can just ruin your camera. The third and the final thing that you most definitely need when you come out with a rain shower or just bad weather is really good clothing. So get a proper coat or a parka and waterproof boots, or just, you know, the rubber boots that you can buy, which are really cheap, because otherwise you will be miserable. Today it's great because it had a little rain when I came to the location, but at the moment it's cleared up, and you know, there's some misty rain, but it's not that bad. But sometimes you can get soaked in water, and if your socks get wet and if your body gets wet, it will get cold and you will be miserable and you won't want to be outside with your camera anymore. So make sure you're warm, make a little thermostat full of good tea that you like. That helps also a lot. So good clothes and keep yourself warm. You don't want to get sick after a shoot outside. I really wanted to find also a landscape composition of this area and these clouds and this drama. I think I found it, but it's started to rain again at the moment, so I'm trying to get an image without rain droplets on my filters at the moment. So let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm again at ISO 64. I'm using a graduated ND.6 and I'm using my polarizer. So let's see what comes out of this image. As I'm doing the last exposure, I just wanted to thank you because I have uploaded now 10 videos. The following is rising slowly but steadily, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified when the next video is up, and thank you for being with me. And until next time, for the ending, this is the second image I got. Thanks and bye. Nah, I'm not gonna leave this here. See you next time.